Is that Dad? Say hi, Dad.
Say hi.
Is that Grandpa? See, Dad, I don't have any pants on.
Oh, man.
No, we're not getting out yet.
You poop?
No. We're going to sit down here. Go night-night.